Hello again. So in this video, we're going to go over errors during replication, another way that we can get genetic variation. Our goal here is to be able to explain how genetic variations may occur during replication. So we might have errors to DNA during replication of DNA strands. So see how this is an A here. Maybe the A changes to a C in the mutation. Okay, so although DNA replication is tightly regulated and remarkably accurate, errors do occur and result in mutations, which are also a source of genetic variation. Sometimes during the process of copying DNA, the sequence of a gene is altered. That results in a mutation. This change in the DNA creates genetic variations within individuals. Okay, so one type of mutation is an insertion and deletion. This is where you have either addition or removal of pieces of DNA within a chromosome. The size of insertions and deletions can range from a single nucleotide, so one protein, to an entire chromosome. These mutations can change the reading frame of a coding sequence, so the numbers and the order that they're in. And because a genetic code is read 3 nucleotides at a time, adding or removing a number of bases other than by a factor of 3 changes every codon after the mutation. Okay, so frame shift mutation is caused by changes in the beginning reading frame of a gene. So where it starts, we have a deletion or addition of nucleotides. So either through addition or deletion, frame shift mutations are devastating because the resulting protein looks nothing like the correct version and is likely to not function at all. Mutations resulting in a premature stop codon are also highly disruptive. Any of the 3 stop codons will cause translation to terminate. That means translation will stop. We can also get mutations as a function of mitosis or during mitosis. So look, the snake has 2 heads. Oh my goodness. Mutations that occur during mitosis are usually confined to the organism in which the mutation occurs and often only affect the cells within that organism. The 2-headed snake is most likely a mutation that occurs during mitosis. These mutations then affect the production of certain proteins within that organism, but we're not affecting the entire population of species. So this whole population of species of snake do not have 2 heads. It's a mitosis mutation, so it's only affecting that individual. Meiosis mutations that occur during meiosis may often be transferred to and therefore inherited by offspring. For harmless mutations, the mutation may have little to no effect on the offspring. Harmful mutations are mutations that affect the health of an organism, may affect the health of the offspring, including its ability to survive, or perhaps it prohibits the offspring from reproducing itself, thereby making them sterile. This can affect the outcome and survival of a species. However, the new combinations of DNA that result from mutations may be positive for the organism. In other words, new traits may emerge from that mutation that make an organism more likely to survive in certain environments or under certain conditions. Whichever type of mutation an organism inherits, mutations are a huge source of genetic variation, not only between cells, but also between organisms. Okay, so a meiosis mutation will affect offspring if it's harmful or beneficial. If it has no effect, then we wouldn't know, but it is still passed on to offspring because meiosis is where those gametes are formed, right? Okay, so quick summary. One of the ways genetic variation occurs is through errors in replication. Mutations are changes in the genetic code of an organism. This leads to changes in DNA for the offspring that are either harmful, helpful, or have no effect. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.